Hello guys, welcome to TechTube. Today we are going to see how to create a Paytm account. Yes, now I'm going to install Paytm app. Let's see now how to create a Paytm account. Very easy. Yes, it was an easy step to create a Paytm account. First go to Play Store and download it. The installation is completed right now. Wait for a couple of seconds. Yes, now completed. Now wait, it's scanning right now. After that, click open. It's asking it's asking your language. Go to English. Click continue. After language setup completed, it's asking mobile number. Give your mobile number. Yes, after entering mobile number, click proceed securely and it send OTP to that number. Yes. And after entering OTP, click confirm. As you can see, the message is coming right now. Congratulations message. Click Denny. Okay, now you can see your Paytm is update phone number. Your wallet is now active. After active in less than 30 seconds, you want to click active now, and it's asking passport, voter ID or driving license. You want to click this and you can see your Paytm account is activated right now. So this is how to activate a Paytm account. So thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned to Tech2. Thank you.